everybody, Jackie here at Tracy Aviary. I'm part of our bird show team, and today we are celebrating Earth Day. We are going to be meeting one of our bird show stars that's showing off a behavior all of us humans can do to help save the planet. And of course, Tracy Aviary is closed at the moment, but we're always thinking about things that all of us can do in our everyday lives to make a difference. And we are about to meet one of our smallest bird show stars, but his personality is larger than life, and he's going to be sharing a giant message with all of us, something easy all of us can do to help save our planet. So this is Ian. Hello there, my friend. Ian here's our Patagonian burrowing parrot. Well done. And like I said, Ian here is going to be demonstrating a behavior all of us can do every single day. And so I've spotted Helen over there. Ian's gonna go say hello, and it looks like Helen's holding a piece of trash in her hand. But is that actually trash, or can that be recycled? Great job there, Ian. Because, you know, Ian here has a very important point. Recycling is something easy all of us can do. And I've heard some staggering statistics that really demonstrate how much of a difference recycling can make. You know, if we recycle just 1/10 of our newspapers in the United States, we could save 25 million trees every single year. And just think about how easy it is to put a newspaper instead of the recycle bin instead of the trash. Ian, show us how it's done. Well done there, my friend. And you know, the average United States household uses 13,000 individual pieces of paper every single year. And often that paper is something small that we don't really think about, things like junk mail or receipts. And you know, it's pretty easy to take those tiny pieces of paper and make sure they make their way into the recycle bin instead of the garbage. But personally, I think the biggest statistic of all is, did you know in the US, we use 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour? Great job there, Ian. And Ian's showing off, if we recycled those plastic bottles, we can make a huge difference. But instead of throwing those plastic bottles into the trash, one difference we can make is using reusable water bottles instead of plastic ones. Because one reusable water bottle saves 1,400 individual plastic bottles every single year. So that's an easy change we can all of us make to make a huge difference. And Ian here has done an awesome job showing off how easy recycling really is. We'll see if this little guy wants to head on home. Because you know, folks, if a Patagonian burrowing parrot like Ian there can recycle, we certainly can as well. And here at Tracy Aviary, we feel that every day should be treated like Earth Day, but today is the official Earth Day. And of course, we should all be thinking about ways we can change our behavior to save this beautiful world we live in. Now, Ian, our Patagonian burrowing parrot, may be green, not just in color, but also in behavior as well. But he is not the only eco-friendly bird we have here at Tracy Aviary. So let's meet some of Ian's co-workers that want to get in on the action. Check it out.
well done. Good.
Many thanks to all our bird show stars for showing off how easy recycling really is. You know, if they can do it, we can all do it as well. But you know, folks, the saying is reduce, reuse, recycle in that order of importance. So first we should strive to reduce, then reuse, then of course recycling is always a great last resort. On behalf of all of us here at Tracy Aviary, happy Earth Day, everybody.